Okay, here's Sarah on her first camping trip.
Yep.
And what are we doing, Sarah?
Camping.
Why are we in the tent?
Because it's raining.
Because it's raining. So we put on fluffy socks. We've got on fluffy socks and sleeping bags. And outside, how do I turn this around?
No, turn that.
Well, we'll just turn it this way. It looks like it might break. There's been lots of thunder and lightning.
Yeah. Because I don't put it on it.
So what did you do before the rain came? Yeah, that one's close, isn't it? What did you do before we got in the tent?
We eat.
Who cooked dinner?
Me.
What did you cook?
I cooked noodles.
What kind of noodles?
Princess noodles.
Princess noodles? What were they called? Spaghettios?
The Spaghettios.
Spaghettios?
Spaghettios.
And what else do we have?
I love to take a
What else did you cook? Hot
bags.
hot dogs. I'm squashed.
Again.
Ooh, that one's close.
I'm gonna need a blanket.
Well, why don't you get under the blanket? Here, we got an extra one right here. So we're just waiting for the rain to stop so we can go do what?
Go fishing.
Go fishing. Yeah, we're stuck in the tent listening to lightning, hoping we can go fishing here real soon.
No.
What? What? All right, let's say bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.